Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the brand new Kylie Cosmetics Wife Life collaboration with her best friend Jordyn. I am so excited about this collaboration just because I've met Jordyn a few times and honestly, like, she's the sweetest person and I'm just so happy for her. Congratulations. I feel like this is well deserved. And like, look at the packaging is super cute. Like, look at it. Like, come on, come on. Okay, first impression, just looking at the packaging, I love that they had someone sketch out just both of them. It's cute. Like, it's girly, it's flirty, it's cute. Two, okay, something that was noticeable right away. Like, look at this PR package. Okay, usually Kylie comes out with like maybe like 30 items per collab, and I actually like, I like that it's just like pretty simple. And I feel like the products kind of speak for itself. So in this collab with Jordyn, she came out with an eyeshadow palette. And you guys have to see this, okay? You have to see this eyeshadow palette. Okay, we have a mirror. Not only do we have a mirror, we have the names in the front in gold or rose gold. What is this? Rose gold? Yes. Not only do we have the names in the front, we also have like a little gold border around each. It just looks very, you know, expensive. It looks like a palette should look. Like, I love this. I absolutely love it. Jordyn and Kylie also collaborated to create eyeshadow. A highlighter palette that also comes with a mirror, and the names are on the front. No new friends. That's kind of cute. We have two new lip glosses. So Kylie's lip glosses are, I guess they're like a longer, you know, they come just like the liquid lipstick. So this is like a brand new lip gloss, and you have a metallic color called 23, and then more of like a matte nude called Partner in Crime, and then we have one lipstick. Like, I really feel like looking at this collection, I'm like, dang, she really did like pick out colors that she wears, you know, Jordyn being she, and it just really seems like, okay, this was a well thought out collection of products that are like Jordyn's favorites. It's super cute. Like, look at it. If you don't like this, I don't know what to tell you, you know? So I think what kind of makes me get excited about Kylie products, one of the reasons why I do review a lot of her collections, because she has a theme and it's a fun theme and it gets me excited to film, to be honest with you. I think when you're doing like a big collection or a collaboration, there should be a theme. You know, this is just me giving like my insight. It just makes things fun, and I love it. Like, I really do love it. So in this tutorial, you will see me use all of the products in the collection, and I will give you my first impressions, and I'll let you know if it's worth it or not. What do I think I am with this gold chain on? Like, look at me. All right, so we're just gonna call this palette the Kylie Loves Jordyn palette. I don't know if that's like the name of it. It just says Kylie Pressed Powder palette, but we will call it Kylie Loves Jordyn. And I think, I'm actually, okay, so like all of the metallic colors, I don't know if they actually did do something different, but all the metallic colors to me seem creamier. I don't know, maybe it's just they're bigger and the size is fooling me. Like, I don't know. All right, so we are gonna start with Peru right here. This like orangey brown. I love shades like this. And you know this, man. Ooh, look at this. The theme starting fall seems to be friends collabing. I was trying to think of something clever to say, but I couldn't. I was like, friends in makeup maybe. All right, next I'm gonna apply Sister, which is like a neutral brown. It looks pretty neutral into the crease. It's kind of like a charcoaly brown. And we're just gonna put this right on top of Peru in the crease. I actually thought this eyeshadow was gonna be like a little bit darker. That's fine, let's see. Blend it up in here. All right, I switched to a smaller brush. This is Smith 230, and I just want to try Love You Bitch. I really want to try this color because it's such a pretty shade of purple. So we're gonna put a little bit of this in the crease and maybe like on the outside of the lid, just to see like what we working with up in here. Just on the outside of the lid and her crease. I think because I put Sister, this brown first, it's not showing up like quite as vibrant. Or maybe I just need to add some more. Oh yeah, let's add a little bit more. You guys are gonna be so mad when I get rid of this hair, or maybe I'm gonna be mad when I get rid of this hair. It's coming back though, you guys. It's a wig, okay? We can just throw it back on whenever we want, okay? I know so many people are like, ooh, we love you with short hair. Like, y'all know I change it like every week. So we just gotta keep it in rotation, you know? Kind of like your tires, you gotta constantly rotate them. Wait, do you have to do that? I think you do, yeah. Okay, I feel like I say this every time I do a Kylie review. When I first put the product on, I'm like, oh, and then I add more and it builds. So it's like one of those brands where you can really kind of pack on the brush with products. Some of you guys will like that. Some of you guys will hate that. It just means that the pigment's like it's not like a 10, like 1 to 10 being the most pigmented. It's not like a 10, it's more like an 8. So basically you have to put a lot of product on the brush. That's all I'm saying. It's cute so far. All right, the moment we've been waiting for. Well, I've been waiting for this moment because Don't Ever Leave Me, this like rose gold color, and Ride or Die both swatched like so pretty. And I think just because purple's in the crease, I love purple and gold together. I'm gonna put Ride or Die, which is this like gold, it's like a cooler gold tone, I would say. We're just gonna apply this all over the, oh yeah. Yes. So the frosted colors are like so pigmented, and then the matte I would say are like moderately pigmented. Oh, I love this color. I like it. Hello. You know, like on The Housewives, they have just like a regular episode, they'll go have coffee, they'll go have drinks, they'll go have dinner, and then the reunion, you know, they get all like decked out. This is like, is this like a coffee look or is this like a reunion look? I feel like this is like, this color's kind of reunion, okay? Or dinner or an event. This could be an event look. All right, so I'm gonna put Love You Bitch, this one, Love You B, under the lash line. And I'm just gonna smudge this out with a pencil brush. And I did put like a little bit of product, a little bit of eyeshadow on the pencil brush before I smudged it. Ooh, I just like, I love this. This lid color right here. Ride or Die. I'm just gonna go in with my shady liner from Dose of Colors. We might even do like a little bit of a wing here. Like, why not? This hair is like, well, 2 days old? Yeah, it's like 2-day-old hair, okay? And I'm just like living my best life in it. We just add water, you know? I think that's what I love about this hair. You just add water because there's like so much product, gel, mousse, oil already in it that you just need to add water to like activate it. If winging it was a good idea. All right, this is Big Shot Mascara from Maybelline. You guys know the drill. Big Shot Mascara, some false lashes, and we good. These are Rome lashes from Lily Lashes. Yes, Rome. I've been rocking with these for a little bit. I might be on like my 10th use. Who knows? Who's counting anyway? All right, before I put mascara on the bottom, I am gonna highlight and then set my makeup. And we are gonna use the, there's only one, the highlight kit from Kylie Loves Jordyn. Let's see, look at this. This is one's rose gold. I kind of want to use Best Life, which is more of like a goldish champagne. Together Forever is like too purple for me. Like you could use it as, where's my brush? As an eyeshadow, but like I don't like purple highlighters. Like y'all know, I don't do that up in here. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Best Life is perfect. And the winner. Actually, I might put a little bit of Inseparable over it, because I'm gonna highlight how. Honestly, using your finger for highlighting your nose is like the best. Try it and just highlight the bridge right here. Don't connect the two and then highlight the nose. See that? All right, let's add a little bit of Inseparable. So whenever I go in with like the second color, it's usually lighter. I'll just put it like on the highest point of my cheek. Let me move this fabulousness. Okay. I'm just adding a little bit of the lightest color, No New Friends. Just a little bit. I just want to, I'm curious, want to see what it look like. I'm like, I'm only going to use 2. 4 shades later. No, I haven't used the, I'm not using the purple. I basically used all 3 except for the purple. And now we set. I don't have a headband on today because my hair can get wet and it could have product, it could have setting spray, it could have whatever in it. You know, the more the merrier. A little bit of blush. This is Sweetest Cocoa from MAC. And then I'm also gonna add my bottom mascara because you always wanna do that after you set so that the mascara doesn't like run everywhere. My eyes just like do not come to life until I put bottom mascara on. I feel like a lot of people are like that with their brows. Me, it's my bottom lashes. Like look at it, it's like a game changer. I'm like a totally different person now. So the final products in the collection are the lipstick and the 2 glosses. So I'm gonna try on the lipstick with both glosses. Not at the same time, but separate so you can see. And this is Cork Lip Liner. I'm not sure how this lip color is gonna look like as far as like how dark it is. So we're just gonna do like a light liner. And if I need to go darker, I'll just go darker. All right, we got Woods. Oh, this is a little bit more, is it more pink than I thought? Oh, maybe not. Ooh, I feel like this is gonna be a good combination, partner in crime. So I'm gonna save this one for last so I could wear it in my outro. This is 23. Okay, so 23 is like a gold, almost like, not a green gold, but it's a super vibrant yellow, almost like this type of gold. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but that's what it is. Oh, I like these. Look at these little sponge tip applicators. Oh, is it the concealer? Might be the same as the concealer, the Kylie concealer, but I like it. I actually thought that this lip gloss was gonna be kind of like the Kylie Cosmetic lip glosses that are glittery. I thought it was gonna be chunky. It's not. It's pretty sheer. And I thought it was gonna be like metallic drip up in here. Like a foiled look, but it's like a sheer gold. This is cute. I like this gloss. Ooh, this was unexpected. I know I swatched it, but still, I just thought it was gonna be like heavier, and it's not. It's real cute. Ooh, this kind of looks cute blotted off. All right, so this is Woods again. Same lipstick. Ooh, partner in crime. Oh yeah. Ooh, I like this formula of lip gloss a lot. Yes, I do. It's like wet, moist. Okay, this is super cute. I love the lip glosses. The lipstick I like, but the glosses I love. All right, guys, so here is the finished look. It came out really good. I love the lid color. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you guys real quick what I love. The two glosses and the eyeshadow palette. I mean, that's kind of like everything. It's like, that's kind of like everything, but the lid color, like, I love this lid color and I love the glosses. Like, those are like hard, like love, you know? I really think that you guys are gonna enjoy the palette, especially if you don't have colors like this. Wild Love is a switch, like iridescent, so it's like a green and a purple. And I really like it. The names are on the front, like my prayers have been answered. You know, I feel like it's Christmas, you know, like they listen. Like, look at this palette, it looks expensive. You know, it looks like she has shmoney, and we like that, okay? What else? Okay, so the eyeshadow palette is a yes. The two lip glosses are a yes. I mean, I like the collection, it's bomb. I think if you follow Kylie, you've seen Jordyn, like she's her BFF, she's always there. They're getting glam together. It's just like such a cute way to show their friendship with the collaboration. And you can tell that it has Jordyn's touch because the palette, the products are different, you know what I mean? And I feel like I can see Jordyn wearing these, and I'm just here for the girl power, the spirit of collabing with your BFF, like it's in the air, you know, it must be in the air. But yeah, I think you guys will enjoy the packaging, the eyeshadow palette with the names and the mirror, like, oh my god, yes. Thank you guys so much for watching my review. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment below, subscribe, and last but not least, strut and slay. If you don't like the packaging, I don't know what to tell you. Wife life. Like, can someone draw me like this? This is cute. A pure package that fits in your hand. There's a green little drip. Moist. Lips are dripping. Drip, drip. Lip drip. Oh my god, am I ashy again? Ooh, wet drip. Done and poppin'. Straight out the... Wait, is this 90s or 80s? Whoa. What's that on my nose? Get it off. Early 90s. Yes. You guys know, like, if I'm, like, feeling myself, because I'll make, like, this face, like...